If you're like us, one of the things that you love about the restaurant industry is how food brings people together. Meals happen face-to-face, not online. Selling works so much better in person, too. You can't taste a meatless burger over an email or try out cutting-edge kitchen equipment from a spec sheet. That's why over 2,300 exhibitors and 45,000 potential buyers meet at the National Restaurant Association's Restaurant, Hotel, and Motel Show. They come to connect with colleagues, get inspired, and find products and solutions to grow their businesses. There's simply no more efficient way to meet buyers and introduce them to their next solution. Your business will be reaching a unique audience. Over 80% of attendees influence or make purchasing decisions. And more than 50% of those attendees only come to this show. The NRA show is the best way for suppliers to demonstrate new products, increase business success, and most importantly, grow revenue. 66% of food service professionals say trade shows are their most valuable information source. Don't miss your chance to meet them. To book your exhibit space, contact the National Restaurant Association today.